Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on bookmarking your favorite videos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open TikTok and on the video that you would like to bookmark, tap the bookmark icon from the right sidebar menu. That video will now be bookmarked. In order to see your bookmarked videos, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile, tap on the bookmark icon below the Add Friends button. Then tap Posts from the menu at the top. Here you can see all of your bookmarked posts. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.